What's up, Ryder? Welcome to Showdown. If you and your friends are feeling the need to crush other teams, well, this is where it happens. Rules are pretty simple, but the mayhem is usually pretty high. You and your team can select one special toy at the beginning of the game. The Juggernaut. Pure power. Eject and slam any competitor unlucky enough to enter its path. The Spider. Tricky and agile. Drop traps and double jump to safety. And then, my favorite, the Sniper. Ranged assassin. Line up your shot and take it, because nothing says I love you like a ball of cold ice. So, now that you and your team are all set, let's talk about them rules. It's pretty simple. Collect lightning bolts, bank them in your banking zone, score points, win. But this is the Republic, so of course there's a twist. If anyone tricks you into bailing before banking, you lose all your collected bolts and your opponents can pick them up. Ouch. Offense and defense, teamwork and skills. That's the name of the game here, kiddos. So pick your toy, use it well, and don't bother playing fair.